नमस्कार 66 नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड की रेड कार्पेट पर इस भव्य समारोह में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
Well, it's time to recognize excellent cinema and galaxy of creative people are descending here, right here on the red carpet.
Yes. And Amit, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Well, when you talk about Indian cinema, what all come to your mind?
The magic of cinema that impacts each of our lives.
Well, you're right, but for me, and I'm sure most of you would agree with me, it's all about entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment.
And to celebrate the magic of cinema, every year National Film Awards are given away in different categories, including feature films.
Non-feature films.
There's award for best writing on cinema, and also the beautiful state of Uttarakhand will get the honors for being the most film-friendly state.
I think the weather of Uttarakhand has impacted Delhi also because it's freezing here.
So Priyadarshini, in this freezing cold, can I ask you a question?
Only if it's a warm question.
So tell me, how would you describe the feeling of being on red carpet?
Well, I'm so excited because I'm actually curious to know जो सितारे आज रेड कार्पेट पर हम देखेंगे वो जनरली लोग उनके फैन होते हैं, लोग एंग्शियस होते हैं, जिटरी होते हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए, लेकिन क्या वो भी नर्वस हैं आज विज्ञान भवन की सीढ़ियों से चलकर जब वो नेशनल अवार्ड ग्रहण करने जा रहे हैं?
So absolutely, stage is set for the 66th National Film Awards here at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Are you ready to walk along with us on the red carpet? Well, we have Mr. Ravi with us. Sir, a very good morning to you. Your thoughts on the Film Awards and the way Indian cinema is progressing?
Without getting into any controversies, announcing the award, that is a Herculean task. So anyway, we had so much of support from the organizers, and then finally, today we are a very relaxed mood. No tension, nothing. But when you select the films, that's the time the maximum tension happens. Why? Because nothing should go wrong. The deserving person should get it.
Yes.
Sometimes you think that that person deserves it, but then they don't know that there is a better deserving person the other side.
Absolutely.
So that is the place where we, the jury chairman and the members, come in, and we take a neutral stand. And we are very happy that this function is happening today. And I wish everybody, all the winners and the organizers, all the best, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Major Ravi. Jai Hind. And as Major Ravi said, that we like to express gratitude to all the jury members for selecting the winners in different categories. Well, one of the biggest hits in 2018 was Badhai Ho. And it's time to say बहुत बहुत बधाई to Amit Sharma, the director of the film. We've got Alia, the producer of the film, Amit's father. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It was wonderful film, and Sureka Sekhri ji is getting the best supporting actress. Badhai Ho has also got the other awards. How do you see the success of the film?
I'm overwhelmed. As in, I did not think that we're going to be getting so many awards, and critics have loved the film, audience have loved the film, and this is cherry on the cake. So I'm really happy.
और जो सब्जेक्ट था तो शुरू में जब बधाइयाँ आई तो हमें भी लगा कि शायद आयुष्मान के बेटे की बधाई होगी। फिर जब ये जो कैरेक्टर नीना जी और गजराज जी ने किया, क्या भारतीय सिनेमा 2019 से अब जब 2020 में हम जा रहे हैं, नया पैटर्न है, नए विषयों को आप ले रहे हैं, बतौर प्रोड्यूसर क्या इस विषय में रिस्क भी था?
तो मैं कहूँगी कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग कि अब कमर्शियल सिनेमा और एक आर्ट सिनेमा या ऑफबीट सिनेमा को जैसे अलग तरीके से देखा जाता था, ऑडियंस इज ऑलरेडी सेड दैट वी लाइक टू वॉच फिल्म्स व्हिच आर गुड।
यस, और अवार्ड लेने आज अमित शर्मा आए हैं, लेकिन पिताजी को कितना गर्व है उन पर?
हाँ, I can say I'm very much proud of my son. So I'm overwhelmed by this.
तो एक बार तीनों मिलके बधाई हो दे दीजिए दूरदर्शन के दर्शकों को भी।
1 2 3
बधाई
हो।
बधाई हो।
बधाई हो।
This is a young actor, Talha. तलहा, हामिद पिक्चर में अपने किरदार के बारे में बताइए।
जी उसमें एक बच्चा होता है जिसका फादर खो गया होता है। वो 7 साल का बच्चा होता है। उसकी मूवी में पूरा यही दिखाते हैं कि वो उसकी जर्नी वो पूरी दिखाते हैं कि वो कैसे अपने फादर को ढूंढता है। वो 786 डायल करता है एज गॉड नंबर, वहाँ पर एक सीआरपीएफ का जवान उठाता है।
इस समय दिल्ली में जो सर्दियां हैं, श्रीनगर की सर्दी याद आती होगी आपको?
जी बिल्कुल, लेकिन श्रीनगर की यहाँ से थोड़ी ऊपर सर्दी है।
पिक्चर भी वहीं शूट हुई ज्यादातर?
जी सारी पिक्चर श्रीनगर कश्मीर में ही हुई है।
और आप 11 साल के हैं, इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं और मैथमेटिक्स के बहुत शौकीन हैं आप।
जी हम मैथमेटिक्स से बहुत बड़े शौकीन, जैसे मैंने आपको कल कहा था।
तो मुझे बताइए, अपने आप को 10 में से कितने अंक देंगे आप बतौर चाइल्ड एक्टर?
जी वो मैं नहीं, वो आप बोलिए।
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया। ये जो अवार्ड आपको मिल रहा है वो बता रहा है कि आप बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं। बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और अब रेड कारपेट पर हमारे साथ हैं शिल्पी गुलाटी, जिन्हें की बेस्ट एक तरह से बहुत अच्छा आपने निर्देशन किया है। तालत-ए-कुंजी फिल्म का आपको अवार्ड मिल रहा है। आपकी फिल्म सोशल इश्यूज पे है। सबसे पहले फिल्म के बारे में बताइए।
ये फिल्म बेस्ड है पंजाब में एंड इट्स अबाउट द आइडिया ऑफ लव बिटवीन रिकवरिंग एडिक्ट्स एंड देयर वाइव्स. सो आई एम लुकिंग एट अ इशू ऑफ ड्रग एडिक्शन इन पंजाब एंड एक्चुअली रिकवरी फ्रॉम ड्रग एडिक्शन इन पंजाब.
So help us put into perspective the name of the film, Talat-e-Kunji.
It's a Punjabi title. It's called Talat-e-Kunji. In English it means lock and key. अब इस सिचुएशन में कहाँ ताला है और कहाँ कुंजी है, what has to be unlocked and what is for us, all of us to what will that lock reveal is what I think.
And I have two viewers of your films who happen to be your parents as well. Your first reaction when you watched the film?
It's a very, very inspiring movie, and one can learn a lot. The drug abuse, they can easily recover. After seeing this movie, they get inspiration.
And fathers are always, very special to daughters.
Yeah.
But now with this film, daughter has become even more special.
Yeah, definitely. She was always special to me.
और मम्मी की क्या feelings हैं?
Very proud moment for us. Today I am very happy.
Thank you very much. So that's Shilpi. She has made a film Talat-e-Kunji on a very important social issue. और अब हमारे साथ हैं चाइल्ड एक्टर श्रीनिवास, जिन्हें नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड मिल रहा है उनकी पिक्चर नाल के लिए। कैसा अनुभव रहा इस पिक्चर का?
बहुत अच्छा, वहाँ का मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर और उस मिट्टी में का वो उसके अंदर जाता और नदी के अंदर में खेलता, उसमें बहुत मजा आता।
बहुत बढ़िया, हमें भी आपकी एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी लगी। आपकी मम्मी से पूछेंगे। अर्चना जी, नाल मतलब अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड जो कि माता और शिशु को जोड़ता है। क्या कहेंगी, बायोलॉजिकल मदर हो, अडॉप्टिव मदर हो, माँ की ममता तो रहती है?
बराबर है, रहती है, दोनों ममता सेम होती है। उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं रहता।
और बेटे का प्रदर्शन जो आपने देखा, आज चाइल्ड एक्टर का अवार्ड मिल रहा है, पिताजी क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत फील प्राउड हो रहा है और सब अपने लिए गौरव की बात है
जी। और आपको और गर्व होगा क्योंकि बहुत ही मशहूर निर्देशक श्रीराम राघवन यहाँ पर हैं और आपकी पिक्चर अंधाधुन की तो बधाई है ही, लेकिन आपने नाल पिक्चर भी देखी है।
देखिए मैंने फिल्म, इसका काम बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
एंड हाउ डू यू सी यंग एक्टर्स इन द लेगेसी ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा?
वेल, दिस बॉय इज गोइंग टू गो फार, आई एम श्योर, एंड आई नो मेरा एक दोस्त है, वो भी इसके साथ फिल्म बना रहा है।
राइट।
तो all the best.
And of course, we like to congratulate Shriram Raghavan because since Ek Hasina Thi to Agent Vinod to Johnny Gadar, you've given us so many films, Badlapur, but Andhadhun is one of the biggest hits of 2018. Congratulations, sir, for it being chosen as the best Hindi film at the 66th National Film Awards.
Thank you so much. I mean, this movie has got a lot of love, and thank the audience for it. And
yeah. So, any memory of making this film?
Well, lots of memories, but now I'm all overwhelmed by this.
And the best actor, and then many other awards have gone to the film.
Yeah, we got quite a few just for this movie.
So thank you very much for joining us. Thank you. And not only Vicky Kaushal has got the Best Actor Award for Uri the Surgical Strike, there are more awards. The Best Director, Aditya Dhar. You've got Shashwat Sachdev, Best Music Direction. 4 awards total for your film. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How's the Josh?
Very, very high. Can't be higher than this.
But share the story with the viewers of Doordarshan. How did you get to this How's the Josh stuff?
It was actually it's a very funny anecdote. As a kid, I used to go a lot to the army clubs, and there was this retired brigadier who would make all the kids line up, and he'll always hold a chocolate in his hand. and he would yell, "How's the Josh?" And any kid who would be the loudest kid would get that candy. And me being a foodie, I always used to end up winning it. So that was something which got stuck in my head, and I always did it.
So can we have you saying how's the Josh? Can we have Vicky Kaushal once say hi sir? Come, can we have that please? Okay, so you can't miss that live on Doordarshan. Here we go. The director will say how's the Josh? The actor, the best actor, and congratulations.
How's the Josh?
There we go. Okay, one more time.
How's the Josh?
I've been saying hi sir to him since the day one.
Any specific thing you like to say to Aditya that you haven't said so far?
That I haven't said so far. I mean, we've discussed pretty much everything about each other's lives. There's nothing left between us. But I just want to thank him. Like, thank him for the rest of my life for giving me Uri.
And if the little birdie tells me correctly, you're doing a role in Ashwathama.
Yes. I happen to play Ashwathama.
All the best. All the best. Thank you very much. All the best to team. Yerdala. That's a Kannada film that's getting the National Film Award for the best film for national integration. Cinema Unites, we've got Satya Prakash, the director of the film, and the child actor P.V. Rohit. Congratulations to both. First of all, Delhi is cold.
Yeah, it's freezing here.
And tell us more about the film.
Yeah, it's a movie about the small kid. He loves his cow very much, and he lost his cow, and he goes in search of it. The movie is all about national integration. Yeah, we got the National Integration Award and the Best Child Artist. We are very happy today, and it's a huge day for us.
Yes, two awards for you. Rohit, what would you like to say to the viewers of Doordarshan on your success? Brilliant acting.
I got this award. I want to dedicate this award to my grandfather and my mother, father, and Punit brother. He teach me acting, and I was be along with them in the film team. On 3 months, they
helped you?
They helped me so much, and they support me and my father and my grandfather. All they support me, and thank you for my school teachers. I'm studying in LKR. They support very much. Thank you so much.
You were in which class when you started acting?
I was in second standard.
Second standard.
Yeah.
Excellent. Very nice. Who's your favorite actor?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Favorite actress?
Actress. I don't know actress.
Ah, that's diplomatic. Favorite villain?
Villain. Ravi Shankar.
Okay.
I think so.
Favorite song?
Favorite song. Despacito.
Ah, Despacito. Excellent. All the best and have a party.
Spanish. Thank you.
Very nice.
It was Spanish song.
Spanish song.
In English, I like Believer.
Okay.
Okay.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Cinema Unites. Well, right now we've got the director of the Bengali film Ek Se Chilo Raja, Srijit Mukherjee. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Tell us more about your film.
So this is the 8th award for my films, 8th National Award. Personally, this is my 3rd.
Yes.
It's a film which is based on the famous Bhawal Sannyasi court case, and it's also was a box office blockbuster. Apart from going to around 8 film festivals around the world, and obviously amongst the awards, this is the best possible award the film could have got.
Congratulations, sir, and keep winning national awards like that. We are very proud of the cinema you have created. We got a young actor, Sameep, और इनकी जो पंजाबी फिल्म है, क्या किरदार था आपका?
मेरा हरजीत सिंह तुली जो कि जूनियर हॉकी टीम के कैप्टन रह चुके हैं, उनके बचपन का रोल किया था. वो बायोपिक थी. उनका स्ट्रगल दिखाया गया था कि उन्होंने कितना स्ट्रगल करके अपने आप को एक मतलब उनकी फाइनेंशियल भी ठीक नहीं थी उनकी हालत घर की, तो फिर उन्होंने अपने आप को गरीबी से उठा के कैसे अमीरी में और कैसे मतलब पूरी उनकी जर्नी थी जो वो दिखाई गई है.
वाओ, थोड़ी एक्टिंग सानू बड़ी अच्छी लगी.
मैंने भी तन्नू को जरिया लगनी चाहिए.
कई डायलॉग सुना सकते हो पंजाबी?
हाँ जी कोई नहीं. कोसब कल जब माथे ने छप्पड़ चुना के बाहर आया ना, मेरी बेबे बाहर डंडा लेके खड़ी सी. मैं कुत्ते डर मारा है, मैं सारा दिन घर नहीं बढ़िया. बेबे कहती चल आ जा पुत, कल तो ना जा नहीं कुटदी. जब मैं अंदर गया, बेबे ने फड़ के चंगा ही चामता. एहो जी मार तो बच्चा तो कोई गेम प्लान दसो कोसा.
Excellent, very nice. All the best. Well, we've got a very special guest. Remember Indian cinema? 1913, 3rd May is very special because that is when Raja Harish Chandra, the first feature film directed by none other than Dada Saheb Phalke, was released. And the biggest honor of Indian cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke Award this time, will be conferred upon the legendary Amitabh Bachchan. He, of course, will not be attending the ceremony today, but he has sent his best wishes. We also send best wishes to Amitabh ji. But right now we've got Chandrasekhar ji, grandson of Dada Saheb Phalke. Namaskar, sir. Your thoughts today on the 66th National Film Awards?
Yeah, it's a great honor to be over here. The first time in the history that you have recorded. I am very much thankful to Mr. Chaitanya and Raya madam that they have ensured that we have been looked after.
Tell us more about your grandfather.
Grandfather, what to say? He has started with scratch of 25,000 rupees, mortgaging his policy and selling my grandmother's ornaments. And now you see the film industry turnover annual 16,000 crores. So, and one should not, anybody who is taking out should not forget the sacrifice he has made. Absolutely. And we are standing first in the world.
Absolutely. Akshay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay.